Want a deeper understanding of your website's performance by seamlessly integrating Google Analytics with Google Tag Manager today? First, let's ensure your website is ready for advanced tracking. You'll need your website's URL handy. Navigate to Google Tag Manager and click on Create Container. This is where all your tracking tags will live. Give your container a descriptive name, like your website's name, and select Web as the platform, then click Create. You'll need to accept the Google Tag Manager terms of service to proceed. Now, Google Tag Manager will provide you with 2 snippets of code. The first snippet needs to be placed in the head section of every page on your website, and the second snippet right after the opening body tag if you're unsure about this. Consult your web developer or website platform's help documentation. Next, head over to Google Analytics. We need to get your Google Analytics tracking ID. Navigate to the admin section, usually found in the bottom left corner. Within your property settings, you'll find your measurement ID, which typically starts with G. Copy this ID. Back in Google Tag Manager, click New Tag to create your Google Analytics tag. Under Tag Configuration, choose Google Analytics GA for configuration. Paste your copied Google Analytics measurement ID into the designated field for the triggering. We want this tag to fire on every page. Select All Pages as the trigger. Give your tag a clear name, such as GA for page view tracking. Now, click Save. To test if everything is working correctly, click the Preview button in the top right corner of Google Tag Manager. This will open your website in a new tab with the Tag Assistant connected. You should see your GA for page view tracking tag firing on every page. Once you've confirmed it's working, go back to Google Tag Manager and click Submit to publish your changes. Give your version a name and description, like Initial GA4 Setup, and click Publish. And just like that, your Google Analytics is set up with Google Tag Manager. You can now monitor your website's performance in real time within Google Analytics, gaining invaluable insights into user behavior.